Okay, all right. Well, retail inflation, that came out yesterday, that came in at around 5.8% odd. We also had the IIP number that came in. Lata joins us to explain both these two data points for us. Morning, Lata.
Well, very important that on a day when Parliament was squabbling on why the RBI's note is not being shown to them on the 9-month or 10 months in a row, inflation not meeting target, inflation indeed met target, or at least came within the comfort zone of 5.88. But the even better news is what it was versus the poll. 50 basis points below the poll. Polls were about between 6.3 and 6.4. The big fall actually came from food. Food was expected to come in at 5.8. It came at 4.67. Huge fall, and almost entirely due to vegetables. Now, that is the good and the bad news. Vegetables down 8%, even on the month. It's down about 8%. So it was huge. If you looked at the other food items, cereals, milk, they are all up 1% month on month. So that explains the fear. Core inflation, which is, your services, household services, health, education, that one is still sticky. That is the core at 6.1. Some people put it at even 6.2. Now, this is something you can't import. So that is the Reserve Bank's dilemma now. The erratic one, vegetables, is falling, but this one that you can't control, core, is at 6.1. So it may have to persist with rate hikes. And on the other side, growth is a pathetic picture. At -4, I mean, it's a 26-month low as far as output is concerned, industrial output is concerned. And big elements like consumer durables and consumer non-durables are down -13 and -15. I mean, this is really huge. Industrial IIP is at the best of times a slightly volatile and probably not much relied upon number. But, you can't shut your eyes to this kind of a cut in manufacturing, -5.6. So I think people will work over their growth figures if this repeats.
All right. Thanks very much, Lata. That's a good perspective on both the inflation number, headline lower, but core steady, and of course growth, which came in as a bit of a shocker, but that's for October. We'll take a quick break here. Up next, Deepan Mehta, where Elixir Equities will be with us for some fundamental stock analysis. We'll also have Rakesh Arora of GoIndiaStock.com and Rajesh Ravi of HDFC Securities. The news broke yesterday during market hours that Dalmia Bharat is acquiring the cement, clinker and power assets from Jayaprakash Associates for over 5,600 crore rupees. Stay tuned. Those conversations coming up.